Hi friends, good morning. This is Ashok Raj. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the pathogens can be killed by the UVGA lamp. Okay, see, UVGA is nothing but ultraviolet germicidal irradiation. Nowadays, most of people are introducing the air disinfection system in their AHU in order to in order to reduce the air transmission diseases through their AHU system. Among these air disinfection system, UVJ is the most one. The most of people are started to incorporate this one in the AHU. This in this UVJ lamp and one type of UVC brand radiation, right? Electromagnetic radiation will kills the bacteria and virus, and I will list out one by one. So what are the pathogens? Ebola virus. This will be killed by the UVA lamp, UVGA system, and second one is hepatitis B, virus, and adenovirus. This is also killed by UVGA lamp, UV intensity, and HIV virus. Okay, this is also will be killed by this UVC radiation, electromagnetic radiation, and bacteriophage. This is also pathogen, one of the pathogen, bacteriophage, and influenza virus, and another one is rabies virus, and finally is the COVID SARS family. So these are the pathogens. These not only these pathogens, apart from this, lot of pathogens is there, and this is the majorly known pathogens which we are killed by the UVG system. Okay, so hope you get some information from this video. So if you like this video, please do react with the like buttons, and if you have any comment, please mention in the comment box. So regarding UVGA system, regarding air disinfection system, we are trying to cover all the topics one by one. So if you want this same video in Tamil, so please go through the engineers view in the YouTube and make use of it, Tamil and as well as Hindi. Okay. So thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you. Bye bye.